So today's presentation is brought to you by Lectra, and the lady who's going to be taking you through all these details today is Anne-Laure. And Anne-Laure Louis is the Global Marketing Manager for Lectra and boasts two master's degrees, one in International Business and one in Marketing and Communications. She's had plenty of experience in technologies, working for companies such as Olympus and a company dedicated to develop an on-demand mobile phone for luxury brands such as TAG Heuer, Dior, and Versace. In addition, she's had 10 years experience in product development for accessories under licenses for the likes of Jean Paul Gaultier, Kenzo, Zadig and Voltaire, Quicksilver, DC Shoes, Levi's, to name but a few. With 15 years in marketing and a focus on product and brand management, she offers an extremely experienced voice for today's webinar. So without further ado, I will now pass you over to Anne-Laure, who will take you through today's presentation.
Thank you, Heather, for this great introduction. Hi, everyone. Thank you for joining this webinar. So during this session, I will not only present our latest solution, Lectra Fashion PLM 4.0, and why it is the solution for you, but also I'll try to address your main concerns and challenges of the market. So this brings me to start with the most obvious question: why is there a need for product lifecycle management solution in fashion nowadays? So the explanation lies in the current state of the fashion business environment, so starting with the mega trends. So there is a reason why we identify them as a mega trend. So it is because they will, and it is what we think at Lectra, they will completely redefine the entire industry and the future of your business. So first, of these mega trends, I'm sure you heard about the millennials. So they're born between 1980 and 2000. They are the largest consumer population ever with the highest purchasing power. So they have revolutionized the way fashion companies make and sell fashion. These digital natives, so they are connected 27 with smartphones. They have a unique way of consuming fashion. They are impatient. So with them, trends come and go. And last but not least, so they expect the best customer experience online and offline. And today, you guys, fashion companies, have to learn how to deal with these highly demanding consumers. The second trend is digitalization. So digital technologies have not been widely adopted yet by the whole fashion industry, but the digitalization of information and the connectivity are no longer an option in our business. So let me give you just a few examples of how digitalization is affecting the fashion industry today. So you have, for instance, analytics to predict behaviors and get ahead of trends, big data to connect with customers at a personal level. So for instance, providing online personal styling. You have 3D rendering to enhance customer experience, but also enable merchandising and design teams to work hand in hand with suppliers and to streamline the full product development process. You have augmented and virtual reality that appears as well to interact with consumers differently. The third mega trend is Industry 4.0, also named smart manufacturing. So with IoT, cloud computing, and augmented reality come smart factories. The processes are connected via data exchange and automation. Industry 4.0 smart manufacturing is redefining how factories are organized. So not only because the objects within a factory are connecting to each other, but above all because the factory is connected to the consumer. Some call it manufacturer to consumer or M2C. So it's new model where there is less intermediary between consumer and the manufacturer. making it possible to create personalized goods in line with the consumer's requirements. Industry 4.0 places factories at the heart of the value chain, propelling a new digitalized product lifecycle for the benefit of consumers. So companies can easily switch back and forth from, for instance, from mass production to mass customization, so which requires more agility and streamlined data treatment in order to respond in real time to a changing demand. Industry 4 is not only a matter of manufacturer, it's today reality for the whole industry, and it's really starting now. Last mega trend, China. So China's growing economy is transitioning to become more consumption and productivity driven. So China is at a crossroads and is going through a major transformation. So China is changing as a consumer market, and there are three main reasons to that. So first, the upper middle class, which is increasing significantly. So its size will double by 2020, so to account roughly for 30% of the all urban households. The second reason is the generational shift. So millennials is even more important in the emerging countries than in Europe. So millennials represent 30% of the Chinese population, and they are the generation that consume the most today. So they will account by 2020 for more than a half of the Chinese total consumer global consumer market. The third reason is e-commerce. Of course, e-commerce represented 50% of the total consumer market in 2015, and by 2020 it is estimated to reach like 25%. So China will remain the leader in apparel production, but its role in the global fashion and apparel supply chain is changing profoundly. So China is no longer the local sourcing producer for apparel. So they provide more and more value-added services, and multi-country production will become the new norm for Chinese companies. The Chinese consumer in particular, will engage more with both local and international brands. So the Chinese people, they are very brand loyal and they desire premium products. So as you can see, all these mega trends will definitely reshape the future of the fashion industry and will open at some point new opportunities for you. So in order to new opportunities, but also new challenges. So in order to thrive in this new digital era, so we identify a few areas where fashion companies should focus on. So the first one being the end consumer, and the second one, the value chain. So the need of the end consumer has totally changed, that we just saw. So they now want to be recognized as unique individuals instead of being bombarded by products made for the masses. So they want products that are made just for them. They want them customized. Another trend that we have been witnessing for the last 2 years is the see now, buy now mentality. So, and this trend applies especially to the impatient millennials. So as we mentioned, so they're impatient. They don't want to wait for a product, and if they don't get the latest product right now, so they will move on to the next. Today, consumers, so they are also seeking the ultimate customer experience. So they don't go to a store just to buy something. They expect as well a shopping experience a well-rounded shopping experience. So, for example, they want to interact with the salespeople and transition smoothly from online and in store. So these are the three main trends for the end consumer, and they are already happening as we speak. So now let's talk about the value chain. The biggest trend right now is data analysis. We are beginning to be increasingly reliant on data. This means data coming from the consumer, the store, and all the processes involved from design to production. And this data needs to be analyzed if we want to make informed decisions. It also needs to be collected and shared throughout the value chain to facilitate collaboration. When you do that, you create shared knowledge pool. So companies need to learn how to extract value from this data by distilling it into actionable intelligence. So data-driven transparency and collaboration are currently trending right now. And this leads to the transformation of several business models. So as I've mentioned before, there's been an increasing demand for personalized products. This explains as well the emergence of new manufacturing paradigms, especially in terms of the manufacturer, where mass production moving towards mass customization, which requires, as mentioned, more production agility. So here are the new manufacturing models that are often associated with this megatrend. So how are these trends going to affect you in your daily work life? So we have identified three potential challenges for you. So the first one is human resources. This means that companies will need to hire people who come diverse and multidisciplinary backgrounds and have up-to-date technical skills and knowledge. So of course, these employees come with highly demanding needs as well. They are millennials. They believe in technology. They are very demanding when it comes, especially to their working environment. So, and this is particularly true in our industry. So there's come another big obstacle for industries to have an infrastructure that is technologically compatible with Industry 4.0. And this will be a big challenge for our customers. Having that structure will give companies the ability to adopt Industry 4.0 technology, and we are right at the beginning of this new era. The last issue that all companies will face is the lack of connectivity. It means to be connected enough to be able to get up to speed with market demand. So this way, companies will get the necessary information to facilitate collaboration by sharing information and achieving enterprise-wide transparency in real time. At the same time, they'll be able to make informed decisions based on the value they have derived from all the data they are able to gather and to analyze. So these are the main challenges our industry is facing. So the question that comes to our mind is how to overcome these challenges. What can fashion companies do to thrive in the new digital era? So at Lectra, we think to overcome them, fashion companies have to be equipped with four main capabilities. The first one is the ability to work smart. So what do we mean by working smart? So working smart means making sense of the data to predict market trends and improve internal processes. All this to better serve the needs of our consumers. It also means to observe the world we live in nowadays and adapt quickly to this ever-changing environment. So this is key. The second is the ability to be agile, to be flexible, to be able to experiment with new business models, but also to learn fast. The third one is the ability to create a friendly working environment. As I've mentioned, to thrive in this era, you will need to hire people with new competencies, from different professional backgrounds, and they'll be millennials, basically. So for them to realize their potential, they need to work in a functional, friendly environment where there are minimal technical roadblocks. And last but not least, to be constantly connected, to have a transparent, open communication channel so that your entire team is well informed, meaning connected to each other throughout the entire production process. So this leads me to introduce our new offer, Lectra Fashion PLM 4.0, that we have developed to empower you, to help you embrace Industry 4.0 with it. So Lectra Fashion PLM is the first ever solution designed to help you navigate the fourth industrial revolution. It enables you to connect all your technologies, people, processes by creating this fully digitized supply chain. By doing that, you'll be able to streamline the way you work, make more informed decisions with real-time data, and get closer to your customers than ever before. So our offer will help you to strengthen these four main capabilities. So let's talk about working smart. So our solution provides you with fashion business intelligence. So how? We created what we call a virtuous loop of the industry's best practices. So the loop starts off with an observation phase. So we have industry experts from all over the world who know the industry inside out, who work with our customers on a daily basis. We gain knowledge on best practices from the industry by doing it for more than 40 years. So once we have observed best practices from the field, we analyze them. And then we develop our automation, standard reports, tech packs that come with our solution based on these best practices. By providing you with fashion business intelligence, you will be able to concentrate on what really matters for your business, on value-added tasks, develop and improve your own best practices. So this is where the magic happens. Your knowledge, everyday practices will feed the system. We will analyze it again and program our solution to learn from it by creating certain new mechanisms. So this is the virtuous loop of best practices, and this is how we are able to include, to integrate and embed fashion business intelligence in our offer that will benefit to your daily job. So we have come a long way since 1973 when our first CAD software was born. So Lectra has more than 40 years of experience in the industry, and we have worked with big name companies all over the world and helped them on the entire production processes, from the planning through design, development, sourcing, all the way along to production. So once we observe all these industry best practices, so how did we consolidate all these best practices? So well, we consolidate the knowledge thanks to our 400 experts and consultants worldwide who speak both IT and fashion. They have an extensive experience in IT and fashion to support you, to support our customers worldwide. Analyze, so we then make sure to translate all this knowledge and expertise into actionable intelligence. And how do we do so? So we translate these 200+ fashion best practices into use cases. So by being able to show users how to make the best out of our software features, so we actually help them incorporate the industry best practices into their everyday work life. To complete the loop, develop. So we develop mechanisms to standardize tech packs and reports, as well as automate processes so that users will waste no time to really concentrate on value-added tasks. So this virtuous loop is continuous self-learning cycle, as you can understand, where mechanisms are developed based on feedback from customers all over the world. So the system will be perpetually updated with fashion-specific and up-to-date business intelligence. The second capability to enhance is the connectivity. And here comes the question, how can I achieve a fully integrated value chain? So to get a 360-degree visibility of your entire value chain, you need to make sure that it is fully integrated, meaning that there should be one single platform that connects all the processes, technologies, and people together to give each and every user one or each single version of the truth and the data he needs to do his job. This ensures data integrity, as team members are able to access the same information from one end of the supply chain to the other. So the first step to the road to a fully digitalized world is to harmonize data to ensure its integrity. So we don't only need data, but we need good master data, data that is cleansed, standardized, and safely stored to communicate accurately throughout the extended supply chain. So, but how do we even get the data in the first place? So by being able to first to integrate the processes, so from the planning to production. So Lectra Fashion PLM 4.0 cover the largest scope of fashion business processes in the market. But you need also to connect people, so to connect designers, pattern makers, suppliers, marker makers, collection director, merchandisers, and so on throughout the extended supply chain. And last but not least, you need to interface technologies. As you know, a PLM solution never stands alone in a company, and this is why to facilitate the integration of the solution with other IT systems such as ERP, CRM, as well as other solutions such as CAD software or design industry standard like Adobe. Lectra Fashion PLM 4.0 comes with pre-configured connectors. And these pre-configured connectors, these pre-existing connectors, significantly reduce and ease the communication of data and the implementation, the overall implementation process. Other questions that often come when discussing with our customers during PLM projects, so how to facilitate the onboarding of the user. Is the solution easy to use? How to configure it? So we developed Lectra Fashion PLM 4.0 with this in mind. We want to make sure that the software is as user-friendly and fuss-free as possible. It comes with a series of tools to make our user everyday work life easier. We want to help you create a friendly work environment and avoid the common IT headache to carry out their task in an efficient manner. So that's why the solution is configurable, self-learning, and user-friendly. So let's start with the configurable. So the solution comes with a new tool to ease the configuration. Lectra Easy Configure that you can access directly from the homepage of your solution. So by drag and drops, you can organize and manage your data. Lectra Easy Configure tool allows you to export configuration, add extra data to build the solution that is most adapted to your business needs. Secondly, to facilitate user onboarding, we provide our customer with what we call the learning cards. As I've mentioned before, we have translated 200 plus best practices, and it's a continuous, so we are adding day by day new best practices and translated into use cases. And we have further developed that into learning cards. So by outlining different scenarios for users and guiding them step by step toward the end goal. So for example, how can I create a request for quote? How can I reuse an existing product to create a new, and so on? So user will get a direct translation of their task into the system. We also make the life easier by providing them with a wide range of libraries of color, textiles, quality test, standard and norm, and so on. So no time wasting searching for information. Okay, so the library, they are all available at a click of the mouse within this software. So people can create templates almost immediately using the same industry standard across the entire supply chain and share them. So we are the only PLM solution on the market which embeds more than 40 libraries. So these libraries are updated on a regular basis and were developed based on international standards. So we also provide a customer with a brand new mobile app series so they can stay connected 24/7 regardless of the geographic location. And these mobile apps have been developed based really on specific persona usage to target and to address dedicated or different job profile and tasks. So for instance, we have the Lectra Snapshot, so which allows fashion design and development teams to capture and share inspiration on the move. So photos and comments can be collected and stored in Lectra Fashion PLM directly. Lectra Collection provides fashion design and product development team with on-the-go access to that product catalog. It also allows them to annotate and comment on product specification and share them among all team members into the PLM. Again, Lectra to-do list, so to manage and organize Lectra Fashion PLM tasks on the move, so to make decisions faster, speed up product development, and stay in complete control no matter where you are. And Lectra Viewer, which enables fashion design and product development professionals to view Lectra Fashion PLM virtual collection and see 3D prototypes in detail using their smartphone or tablet. So as you can see, Lectra Fashion PLM 4.0 is configurable, self-learning, and user-friendly. But how long does it take to get Lectra Fashion PLM 4.0 up and running? So last capability to enhance is the agility. So we make the implementation process as easy for you as possible by making you more agile and flexible production-wise. So how we will do that? So let me explain. So first, let's step back on the overall fashion process. So basically, it's look like this. So knowing that today it's no longer a linear process. So you are not doing planning, design, development, sourcing, blah, 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 and so on, or you can, but it's not always linear. So you may sell, for instance, even a garment before it's designed. You can have a virtual garment on your website, on your e-commerce website, and then design it according to the vote or according to the style. If we consider more specifically fashion companies according to their business model, so these are an example of, let's say, retail-oriented companies, so that design their own collection and source sometimes their material, but they subcontract the development to external partners. So they focus really on planning, design, sourcing, and selling. Other companies deal mostly with design, specifications, patterns, and sourcing material, for instance. So usually these are brands with a strong DNA, typically high-end and luxury brand with heavy product specification. On the other hand, some of our customers focus only on the product development, the industrialization, the pre-production, so everything related to the preparation to finally manufacture the product. So they're basically the manufacturer. So to address each of these typologies of business models, so we created 3 standard, 3 targeted offers focusing on key value-added activities, because we really think that one size doesn't fit all. So customers, they can choose the most relevant offer among the design to source, the develop to source, and the develop to manufacture offer. So by focusing on their core concerns and implementing, even if it's a small perimeter, the most adapted PLM, customers, they can achieve quicker ROI without disrupting their overall activity. And we think really that the business value comes first, and by starting small, you will get quick wins and quick ROI. But while your business grows, you might have different needs. So that's why we offer our customer a series of 7 modules to choose from and add on top of one of the standard offer, in order to widen their solution functional scope, to widen the targeted processes, and to address some other challenges they may face. So the modularity and scalability of the solution gives you this agility and flexibility to not only to grow, but also to adapt to a never-changing market. So that's what Lectra Fashion PLM 4.0 is all about. We want you to be able to grow your business, but at your own pace. So you must be wondering what concretely happens at our customer. So let me walk you through a few examples. So the first one is Les Enfants. So Les Enfants is the leading Chinese children's wear specialty brand. The company was founded in 1971 in Taiwan. So they have more than $3 billion sales revenues. Their stores are located mainly in China. They have a total of 1.8K stores plus do sales online, and they do have they have to face the growing children's wear market, which is growing by 10.5%. So these are few brands Les Enfants is taking care of. So few own brands, so Les Enfants, Little Money, My Nuno, and they do have also some licensed brands such as Disney Baby and Familiar by Les Enfants. So Les Enfants was already a Lectra customer using our design solution Kaleido and our pattern making solution Modaris. But to keep up with the pace of fast fashion and e-commerce, so Les Enfants really needed to shorten the time it took to get new products to market. So the children's wear company worked with Lectra to implement a PLM system to manage their collection development and support their growth strategy. So Les Enfants use Lectra Fashion PLM to share product information across departments, so between their 20 designers and 28 pattern makers, but also with their supplier network, which are based throughout China. So giving the company better visibility over its entire process and facilitating a more collaborative workflow. They also built and house an extensive library of basic patterns templates within the product lifecycle management platform. speeding up the time it took to develop new collection and cutting down on errors from even the most junior designer, meaning that their designer, their people will be able to use and reuse the libraries of the template being embedded into the solution they built yesterday. We have a quote from the head of IT, Mr. Hein Haley, explaining that les enfants choose to work with Lectra because of its proven track record in the fashion industry, but also because its software has an easy to use interface. So as a result, thanks to Lectra Fashion PLM, les enfants now have full visibility over its collection planning, design, and product development process with teams that work together collaboratively, so to make sure the brand clothing not only stay fresh and original, but also that it gets to stores on time and on budget. I have some quotes here from the Céline Hu, head of merchandising of Les Enfants, who run the project and the implementation of the solution within Les Enfants. So collection planning is now faster, prototyping is faster, and we are more cost competitive. Lectra Fashion PLM has changed the way Les Enfants work. Another quote about benefits in the design studio. So a quote from the design manager Shimeyuwa. So Lectra Fashion PLM saves our designer a lot of time on repetitive tasks, so they have more time to be creative and come up with styles that are on trend. And this was really key to Les Enfants to face the new challenging and the growing children's wear market in China. The second example, so it's a European brand. It's Imperial Fashion. Imperial Fashion is Lectra customer for the past 18 years. It's an Italian fast fashion retailer. So Imperial was the first company to succeed with this business model in Italy. Imperial, to illustrate what I'm saying, so Imperial is called in Italy and in the market the fast company. So Imperial was founded in 1978. They have a double-digit growth and generate 210 million euros sales revenues a year. So they specialize in women's wear and menswear with roughly 80 privately owned single brand stores worldwide and a network of direct product distributors. Each week, these fast fashion companies deliver 35,000 pieces of each style, which is huge. So Imperial is organized with a team of about 200 in their head office in Bologna in Italy, developing their product mix. Their suppliers are all local for full optimization of the speed of the process. So they produce more than 6 million SKUs annually. So you will understand that Imperial's main challenge is time to market. So that's why they decided to implement a PLM solution. So the fast fashion brand decided to integrate Lectra Fashion PLM to speed the development while better connecting teams involved in the collection process. So at the end, with Lectra Fashion PLM, Imperial Fashion is now managing all its development activity downstream, from technical drawings, product and component list, technical data sheet to pattern making and production. So using a single platform accessible via the web for all departments involved in the product development, to give everyone a real-time view of all key information, cutting down low-value activities, and data exchange errors. So decision makers can also give immediate feedback in order to make changes earlier in the collection process. So again, a quote from the owner of Imperial Fashion, Adriano Aere. So we chose Lectra Fashion PLM because we needed to facilitate and improve control over product data during the entire development cycle, which is really short in our case, and you will understand. With Lectra Fashion PLM, it only takes us a week, 7 days from design to sell. Our business has grown exponentially by 15, 20, then 30% a year. Again, just a few examples of companies and brands using Lectra Fashion PLM. So as you can see, the solution is used worldwide, in Asia, in China, Japan, in Thailand, in the US, in Europe, in France, Italy, Germany, in Brazil, even in Australia. And it's used by companies in women's wear, children's wear, but also luxury, made-to-measure, sportswear, lingerie, and so on. And these are few customers that trust and are using Lectra Fashion PLM on a daily basis. So to conclude, the fashion industry is currently strongly impacted by four megatrends. So what I just explained before: the millennials, the digitalization, Industry 4, and China. Companies need obviously a more efficient and streamlined value chain that connects them to the end consumer's needs. Need to be closer to the end consumer. So with that in mind, we developed Lectra Fashion PLM 4.0 to help you thrive in the new digital era of fashion. The platform really acts as a digital and central nerve, like a hub of the extended supply chain, collecting, gathering data from all to help you to work smarter by focusing on value-added tasks, thanks to fashion-specific solutions which embed business intelligence derived from the best practices. It will help you also to be more agile, to stay adaptable and grow as your business evolves. Friendly, thanks to a series of tools that make the solution easy to use and configure and facilitate the user onboarding. And last but not least, connected to integrate teams, technologies, and processes together to connect your company to the market. So at Lectra, we have one goal. It is to help you to be up and ready to address the challenges and opportunities of the fourth industrial revolution. So really, thank you for your attention today.
Thank you very much, Anne-Laure. That was brilliant, fantastic. I hope you all found it informative. Obviously, you're probably going to have some questions for Lectra. If you do, you're obviously welcome to reach out directly to them through their website, which is www.lectra.com. Or you can send any questions that you have through to me, and I'll be happy to pass them on. And my email address is heather@just-style.com. Big thank you again to Anne-Laure and to Lectra for a brilliant introduction to the Lectra PLM 4.0, and obviously the launch of their new logo as well, which is fantastic. Thank you to everybody who's joined us today. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Heather. Bye-bye.
Bye.